Let's dive into the basics of replacing the wear parts of your non-hazardous sensors. Before you begin, you'll want to have the wear parts kit, a pH 1.5 or smaller Phillips screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and all fully removed sensors requiring replacement of their wear parts. The wear parts kit will include the instruction manual showcasing the written steps and renders we will be reviewing in this video. The parts included in the kit requiring replacement are the sensor cover, 15 Sensi-Clean beads, the magnetically coupled impeller, and the impeller wear ring. To remove the wear parts, begin by unscrewing the two cover screws from the sensor cover. Be sure to maintain pressure on the sensor cover during this step and rotate the sensor vertically before removal. This will allow you to use the sensor cover like a cup to keep the cleaning beads from falling out. Remove the new sensor cover and its associated screws from the bag and set it on a flat, level surface. The acrylic cleaning beads are very small and easy to drop, so take care during this next step. Two methods we use include dropping each cleaning bead into the sensor cover using a pair of tweezers and counting each one along the way to ensure all 15 are included. The second method is cutting a small portion of the corner of the included bag and dropping the entire lot directly into the sensor cover. Next, remove the magnetically coupled impeller by simply pulling it out. Using the tweezers, remove the impeller wear ring. In the exact reverse order, install the new impeller wear ring by simply pushing it into position, making sure that it is fully seated as it is oblong and not perfectly round. Inspect the impeller for any vestigials, removing any if found, and install it by pushing it into the impeller well. The last step is to install the new sensor cover. First, ensure that all 15 cleaning beads are present and take note of the cover's locating pins. The temperature sensor will be inserted into the smaller circular sensor cover well. The impeller will be inserted into the larger circular well. As before, treat the sensor cover like a cup to keep the beads in place and install the sensor vertically. While holding the sensor cover onto the sensor with one finger, install and tighten the two new Phillips screws. To ensure you don't over or under tighten the screws, ensure the cover gasket is not protruding or showing gaps. If protruding, back the screws off. If gaps are found, continue to tighten the screws down. That's it. You're now ready to reinstall your sensor. If you have any questions or concerns or find any abnormalities with your sensor during this procedure, please be sure to reach out to the team at tech@halogensys.com and we will provide support as promptly as possible.